In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph patterns. Input output table patterns. That's such a bad line. Give me a sec. Okay, this is a graph. This is the y coordinate. That looks awful. This is the x coordinate. Forget this little squiggly curvy line. Okay, let's say we had a table. We're going to start with a table. Okay. The table, an input output table. And the input was 1, and the output was 3, and another input was 2, and the output was 4. Let's just say these. I don't know if these actually have a discernible pattern, but let's just say this. In this input output, the way we would graph this is the input, this is the output. We graph the input on the x. What did you put in? We put 1, so we start at 0 and we go 1, and then what did you get out? We got 3 out. And then we climb up 1, 2, 3. And what we write to show this is that we write a parentheses. We put the input as the first one, and we put the output as the next one. 3. And we just graphed input output at, I don't know how to put this out. 1, 3. 1, 3. Now, if I were to graph 2, 4, I would go start at 0, start this one, 1, 2, and then climb up 1, 2, 3, 4. And the way I describe that, whenever I'm graphing it, it's again with the parentheses, the input, and the output. You could put that right there, but yeah. And this is how you graph and put output tables. And we do the same thing with the rules. If I were to say y, like the y-axis, is equal to 3x, is an x. If I were to go to x3, let's say, 1, 2, 3, and I use x3, listen, 3 for x, 3 times 3, because we're at x3, that would mean 9. Y would then equal to 9. So then we would climb up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way right here. And that coordinate would be described as the input 3, comma, the output 9. And that's how we graph. So what you do is that you take the input of the rule, the input, like this is 1, and you go there, or you can go there and use that as an input, and then you climb up to the output, and you write them down, the coordinates, like this. The input first, and the output next, separated by a comma. So let's do another one. Let's say we took 4 as the input, or let's say we took 5 as the input. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Well, let's say we go 1, 2, we went all the way up. This is only extends up to 10, so let's say 15 is right up here. Okay, and this goes all the way down to 5, and this goes out to 15. So this is where 15 would be, and we write that as this. The input would be 5. This is the coordinates, and the output would be 15. This is the coordinate 5, 5, and 15. All right,